Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel, Sew His Life. Today I showed you the pieces that I'll be working with. First we have the front piece with the neckliner, and we also have the two strap pieces, liner pieces for the end of the sleeves. So this will be the front section of the top. Next we have the back section. Here we have the back section with the neckliner, and we also have the liner for the sleeves. So this will be the back section. We also have for the bottom half of the top, we also have two strip pieces cut in a fold, double the length of the top. So it's two equal pieces, it's 5 inches in length. And these are the two pieces that's gonna go to the bottom part of the top. So here we have all the pieces. So now let's begin. I'm going to begin with working with one section of the top. This is the back section. Let me remove the pins. I'm going to open it out. We also have the liner for the neckline. So I'm going to place it this way. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stitch the neckline all the way around. I'm going to put some notches. I'm going to serge the sides and I'm going to flip it over and flat stitch it down. This will be the back. Here we have the front section, and we also have the neckline. So I'm going to go ahead, lay this down. I'm going to go ahead, flat stitch all the way around. I'm going to put some notches in there. I'm going to serge the outside, flip it over, and I'm going to stitch it down. Also, on both sides of the sleeves, the two strap pieces that I told you about for the sleeves, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stitch it down this way. I'm just going to go ahead and stitch it down and just flip it over. So it's going to be in half and flip it also. You can also stitch it this way and flip it over this way just to make a hem. So you could do the hem either outward or inward. So I'm going to go ahead, get that done, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Here we have the both front and back pieces of the top. This is the neckline, this is the back neckline. I pinned the shoulders together, so I'm going to go ahead and stitch both shoulders the way it's pinned here. Also, This is the strap that comes on the end of the sleeve. So I'm going to go ahead and stitch this strap on both sides all the way around. So I'm going to go ahead and do those two things, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Here we have the top. I placed the piping on the sleeves, both sides. The neckline is lined, the back neckline is lined, and this is the underbust area. So now we're going to move on to the next part of the top. Here we have, in the beginning I showed you a strap. So this is the two strap pieces. Well, this is one of the two strap pieces that I showed. What I'm gonna do with this is I gathered the strap to match the length of the top. So the width of the top. So this is the width of the top, and I gathered the strap to fit the width. There's a front piece, and this is the back piece that goes front and back on the top. So what I'm gonna do is line this strap piece section onto the top, and I'm gonna pin along here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and flat stitch it down from one end to the next. I'm gonna also do the exact same thing to the back section. Pin it down and flat stitch all the way across. So I'm gonna go ahead now and do that, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay, here we have the top, the liners on the neck, the lapel on the sleeves, the side stitches down, and the bottom half of the top is joined together. I hemmed it and I stitched the side of the top together. So this is the front, and this is the back. And there you have your finished top.